Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your March 2022 Flavors of the Month kit. And I have an exciting announcement, so stay tuned. So our Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll always receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You get access to 4 recipe cards, and these are double page layouts that our design team creates, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and they photograph their layout so you can see what it's going to look like when it's finished. It's great inspiration, and they are so talented, so I know you are going to love that. And something new starting this month is each one of our kits that you subscribe to, you will have access to a free cut file. So this month is this cut file here that says Hello Spring. These are being designed and offered by Cut to You. And so it's perfect for this month and for the collections that we have. I know you're going to get a lot of use out of them. So give a big shout out to Rochelle for arranging this and Cut to You for designing them each and every month. So again, whatever kit you subscribe to, you'll have access to the free cut file each and every month. So this month, our 4 collections is a birthday, which I'm really excited about, and I'll tell you more about it. We have a spring Easter collection, one that is just an everyday collection. This one is really neat and unique as well. And then we have one also just to document about yourself, your good times, just inspirational quotes, best day, you're amazing, all of that. And look at all of those beautiful colors this month that you're going to create with. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is from American Crafts, and it's called Damask Love, and it has a retro feel, some retro images, fun bright colors, and just perfect to document everyday stories. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this paper that has all of the phrases on it. Good things are here, work for it, treat yourself, good things happen here. So lots of inspirational quotes. The back are roller skates. This paper is called Just Roll With It. Then we have this one that looks like kind of pink pom-poms on a light pink background. The back is a stripe and the colors overlap to create a third color here, so that's really neat. This paper is called Rainbow is a Neutral. Then we have the lightning bolts on the yellow, and the back are daisies with their big bright yellow centers, and that paper is called Daisy Me Rollin'. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/4 pack of the ephemera and also a 1/4 pack of the sticker sheets. So all of these will vary among the kits, but I'm going to show you if I can pick it up what's on mine. So I got the part that has a lot of different phrase labels, a word that I can use for a title, and a circle for journaling, a hieroglyphic kind of star, and the ephemera pieces. Again, these will vary as well, but you can see there's lots of kind of the retro images. Oh, I love the little girl, little flower, the umbrella, name tag that says hello I'm. That's a great journal starter if you receive that in your kit. So that is Damask Love from American Crafts. Our next collection is Day in the Life from Echo Park. This is a great collection. It's geared around kind of the months of the year, so each paper is a different month, but of course you can use it for anything, as you're going to see. But I'm really excited about this. And if you want more of the pattern papers, more of the months, you can get 2 more sheets in the add-on paper kit. You can also get another one if you order the Shots of Life because it coordinates with the Flavors a Month. So if you want 3 more of the papers, check those out. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of deep indigo cardstock. This paper is September, and it has all of these gorgeous cameras and then the polka dots and the different colors on the back. The backs of all of these are cut apart, so we have some 3x4, 4x4, we have a 4x6, and then a couple of more 3x4s. These are great for journaling. I love all of those. If you do pocket page scrapbooking, of course, you can include those just right into the pocket pages. You can also just add them onto a 12 by 12 page. Love the colors in this collection, that dark blue along with the lighter blue. Oh, it's just gorgeous. This paper is July, so we have a brush stroke in the stripes. And then on the back, you'll see that it follows the same format. You have the 4x6, the 4x4s, and then all of the 3x4s, lots of journaling spots, place for the days of the week on both of these. You got this today. Every day is awesome. And then we have the June paper, which just is lots of these little dots creating patterns. And the back is more of those gorgeous colors, more journaling spots. Hello weekend, it's nice to see you. Life is magical, take a photo. These are the days. So one more look at the patterned paper. And then for your embellishments, you're going to get a row of enamel dots. Now those colors will vary among the kits. You're also going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary, but this is what I got. Some tags, some smaller tags, banners, create your own adventure. I love that, favorite things. So you could use these if you're doing traveler's notebooks and doing lists or things like that. This is just a gorgeous collection. So that is Day in the Life from Echo Park. Our next collection is from Echo Park, and it's My Favorite Easter. I love this one. Just look at all the peaches and the pinks and the purple and just the softer colors. So normally they do a bright color. So this one is unique and different. Love the daffodils in here. If you are wanting one that's the brighter pinks, blues, and all of that, check out our double shot kit. All right, so we're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this beautiful paper again with those tulips and the daffodils. The back is a blue gingham. That paper is called Happy Day. Then we have a really loose plaid design in all of the different colors. The back are more of those tulips and daffodils. That paper is Picking Plaid. And then we have this one with all of the Easter eggs, and the back is a floral on the yellow. Just gorgeous. That paper is called Good Egg. So one more look at your patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a wide border of those gorgeous florals here. Bouquets of flowers, the wheelbarrow, large word with spring, the banner, and we have spring up here in the circles. Great for titles. Lots of little word labels down here. Love the rain boots. So that is My Favorite Spring from Echo Park. Our final collection is from Photo Play Paper, and it is called And Another Candle. So I am super excited when I opened and went through all of this. We have lots of birthday collections, but they're usually kid collection. But this one's kind of geared for those upper numbers. Of course, you could use it for your kids as well. So you can start with 2 sheets of Tropical Splash cardstock. This paper called Celebrate, which is all of the balloons. The back is a text print with the birthday icons on that bright green. Celebration time, party like it's your birthday, vintage is in, wishing you the happiest birthday. This one called Birthday Cake has the birthday cakes, the banners, the cupcakes, the macarons. So cute. And the back is a diagonal stripes, fun, bright, all of the polka dots and the stars and the stripes. It's just a party on a paper. This paper is called Let's Party, and it has the party hats, and then the back is to me it looks like paint splatters on that bright pink background. So one more look at your patterned paper. And then for your embellishments, a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have this one down here with the florals. And it's got this little tiny scalloped border. Hopefully that shows up. It's so cute. And then the blue that says happy birthday to you over and over again. The banners. Lots of these large words for titles. Let's celebrate. I love this. Vintage is in. It's your day. Happy birthday to you. Some things just get better with age. So you can see it's definitely happy birthday for any age, but then there's those little hints at someone that might be getting just a little bit older. Rosie all day with the champagne glass. Super cute. So that is, and another candle from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available, and also check out the 3 add-ons if you want more product to go with your Flavors of the Month. You can also check out the Shots of Life, which coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so that will give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. Don't forget to download the free cut file this month and use it along with your kits. We can't wait to see what you create with the cut file. Thanks so much for watching.